great students, welcome to another mathematical masterclass with Ogale. If you are new here, all we do on this channel is to help you see that mathematics is fun. It's as though we were playing with numbers. The exams will soon be here. If you want to be a pro at solving mathematical questions within minutes, within seconds, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. If as you keep watching, you realize that you are really getting value, thank you for doing so. Are you ready with your pen and paper? Are you ready? Are you writing? Today's video will be talking about the sum of a sequence. Let's go straight to business. Alright. To start with the sum of a sequence, we will first help you see the importance of finding the sum of a sequence. Because these mathematical skills you are learning are skills that you will use eventually after school. So it's not just about looking for X and Y. Imagine you get a job as an event planner after school and you are asked to find the total number of seats in a stadium because you'll be using that to plan for the guests. The next thing to do is to start counting, isn't it? You counted the first row, you found that it was 100 seats. The next row, you manage to count and you realize that it is 105. Then you realize that each row increases with 5 seats. That's if the first one is 100, second one is 105, the third one is 110, and so on and so forth. All the total number of rows in that stadium is 10. So, how can you count all these seats within the shortest possible time? The concept of the sum of a sequence will help you solve that. We are going to come back to this question on the stadium, but let's go to an easier example as this will help you understand the concept better. Are you there? Look at the question. Keep your eyes glued to the board. It says, find the sum of the first 12 terms of the arithmetic sequence 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus ... That means the sequence continues. Alright? To solve this question, the first thing is to write the formula. So this formula for finding the sum of a sequence is given by Sn is equal to n over 2 open bracket 2a plus open bracket again n minus 1 close bracket d close bracket. I will be teaching you how to memorize formulas that look very long like this. That will be a bonus for my subscribers. Have you subscribed just yet? Thank you. Let's continue. The next step. Bring out all the details in the question. So what are the details in the question? What does the n in the formula represent? N is number of terms. Let's go back to the question. Find the sum of the first 12 terms. So our n obviously is 12, correct. The next thing says, what is our a? Look at the sequence. A is the first term, which is what? 5. Are you there? Then what's our d? The common difference. D stands for difference. So the difference between these terms in the sequence, let's look at it. 5 and 7. What's the difference between them? 2. 7 and 9. What's the difference between them? 2. Good. Very good. So our common difference, it becomes 2. Have you hit the thumbs up button? Thank you for doing so. If you have any questions at this point, please write your questions in the comment section. If you don't have any questions, but you're getting value, you like what we're doing, please tell us well done. We love to be encouraged. Alright, the next step is to put in the values into the formula. So, this point is something you must do very carefully. No errors, please. Are you there? S12 is sum of terms of the first 12 terms. Is giving us 12 over 2. Remember our n is 12. 12 over 2, open bracket, 2a, what's our a? 2 times 5, plus n minus 1, that's our 12 minus 1, and our d is what? 2. Alright, we'll first start with evaluating what is inside the small bracket before we go over to the big bracket. Are you there? So we have our what? 12 over 2 gives us 6. This is 6. Plus 2 times 5 gives us 10. Plus, what's in the small bracket? 12 minus 1, 11 times 2. Alright. We bring it down again. 6. Please don't throw away the 6 at any point. It's very useful. 6. Open bracket. 10. This is 10. Plus 11 times 2 gives us 22. So 22 plus 10 gives us 32. Are you there? 32 multiplied by 6 gives us 192. What does this mean? If in a hall, the first set of seats is 5, the next row is 7, the next row is 9. If the hall has 12 rows in all the seats in that hall is 192 seats. Is it clear? Ask your questions. We are here to answer them. Alright? Now, we'll go back to the question on the stadium. Are you there? What is our first term in this question? That's our A. It is what? 100. Correct. What is the common difference in the seats? 105 subtracted by 100 gives us 5. Alright? So 5 is the common difference. What's our n? That's the number of terms we're looking for. Remember we said the stadium had 10 rows. So to calculate the sum of the first 10 rows, our n will be 10. So put in these values. Now that's your homework. I want to see how good you can get with that. I want to see your answer. What is your answer after solving? Alright? So find out the sum of the first 10 rows in that stadium. Alright? So at the end of the day, whatever answer you get, put it in the comment section. I'm going to be marking. I honestly don't know how I'm going to be doing that, but I'm going to be marking. Alright? So till we meet again, thanks for watching. If you received value, please remember to subscribe. If you've not given us a thumbs up yet, I'm waiting. Till we meet again, this is Ogali. Bye.